Hey guys, it's Vince from Hallie. Giving you guys a little video update. Sorry I haven't updated you guys in a while, but I've been really busy with running my own business and actually working on real cars. But this is what we're working on right now. We're working on building this Cadillac so it actually will go through the mud. It's only going to be two-wheel drive, but it's going to be electric, somewhere around 600 watts. Right now I'm building the frame for it, so hopefully this thing will come out pretty nice. But yeah, if you guys want to see more cool stuff like this, and follow this page and stay updated. We'll continue to show you guys the build process. So this is going to be a 100% round 2 TIG welded frame. It's not all chromoly. Most of it's DOM, but that doesn't really matter. It's power wheels, but we're going to make it plenty strong, and hopefully it'll run just as well as it looks too once it's done. So yeah, you guys like the page, follow along, subscribe, and share it if you can. Talk to you guys later.